Hey guys, so we are going to this Colombian restaurant called Los Paisas and it's so good. Last time we went was probably a year ago and I got what's called the bandeja típica, I think it's called. Don't come for me if it's wrong. And it comes with chicharrón or like pork, rice, beans, sausage, and eggs. And then Junior got a picada, which was steak, and some other stuff. I forgot. He made me nervous, so now I need to stop recording. But anyway, it was really good. We're going there. It's about 2 hours away from the house.
Can I talk?
Oh, I thought it was me and then you making a video. All right, take two. This is his fit. It looks pretty good. His shoes. Oh, let me show you my fit.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today is something a little bit different. We're not really car related. It's more like a life/food vlog. So if you guys are not interested, you can go ahead and watch like Coco Melon or whatever it is you guys watch. But yeah, Wifey's already ready.
Hey.
Good to go. We're taking the S2000. And this is, check the fit. I got a white shirt on, pretty basic. Yeah, so we're taking the S2000 and don't be fooled. I drive all my cars and I need some new tint. I actually drove the SI today to work and I drove the hatch to work the rest of the days. So yeah, this is the little weekend car. So I'll see you guys there. Let's see what we eat today. It's a cold start for the boys. See that? Oh no, y'all see that. Alrighty guys, we made it to, we drove 2 hours. That's how you know this place is good. It's called Los Paisas. If you guys are in the area, you gotta check them out. Look at the menu.
The translation, beef patty. Which has very good.
All my Spanish speaking friends that know what an empanada is or pastelito is, bro, tell me this is not the smallest empanadas ever. Look at this thing.
He always got something to say.
Yo,
He always got something to say.
I'ma still eat it, but come on now.
It is so good though.
Our food, what'd you get again?
I got the bandeja típica and it has pork, avocado, egg, beans, sausage, and steak with una arepa.
And I got the picada. Ooh, I'm ready. Yeah.
We're gonna be knocked out on the
Time to eat. Was it?
It was so good.
Yo, we came literally 2 hours just to eat here. That's how good it was.
Zoom into my stomach. It's about to pop.
Yo, that thing was so good. I am so full. We spent $42 and it was so much food, like so much. It was so good. It was so good, but worth it. It was like worth it.
This is how we're gonna be on the way back.
Yeah, we're gonna be knocked out. Here she is, the drive back. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. I love these shoes, but yo, I think I'm gonna have to take them off to drive back. I think I'm gonna drive barefoot. My goodness, these are so nice, but I remember why I don't wear them as much. This left foot specifically is like very tight on this side. I don't know why. Like it's just like squeezing it like that. So I might drive barefoot. Let me see if you guys see what I see. That thing really says Scrimp Shack. What is that? Scrimp? What?
That's the south.
Bro, it's called shrimp, man. Shrimp.
Sandy's ignoring me. Oh, I'm still recording.
It's gonna come off, I'm sorry. These shoes are gonna come off. Oh. Even if I loosen them like that, they're still kind of just tight on this corner. So I'm gonna just drive with, I'm gonna take this shoe off. Oh.
Yo, I can't even.
Yo, we struggling.
I can't
She
even.
can't unbutton.
Nah, you want me to
I asked her to put my shoe in the trunk.
My jeans was already unbuttoned. Now look at this.
Make sure you put that in the place where it's not flying everywhere, please.
Here. It's just one shoe?
Yeah, it's just one. I got it on my foot. I got it on my foot. Oh, that's gonna be fun.
Nah, I'm done. I'm done with you.
We finally made it home, and my wife got my shoe, but I drove the whole way barefoot, stalled it only once. It's pretty interesting. It wasn't too bad, but what do you think? Nah, we have fun though. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and take care.